How to download and install WhatsApp on Android and iPhone. Step-by-step guide. In this video I explain how to download and install WhatsApp quickly and easily on both Android and iPhone. Android. Open Play Store. Now click on the search bar above or below. Search WhatsApp. Be careful of similar logos and fake apps. Select the official app, the one developed by WhatsApp LLC, and click on Install. Wait for the download and automatic installation. Tap on Open when finished. WhatsApp will start for the initial configuration.